Bonjour! Okay guys, we have an unboxing. Freya Skye is final. Okay, let's open her up. Okay, that doesn't sound good. Cliff? Oh, Cliff. I'm so excited. Oh, hello. Hello, shittings. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, Cliff. Don't rip the sticker.
I didn't.
Okay, guys. I'm going. Well, I take like 5 minutes. Me and Courtney went to Swansea, right? And we went to HMV, and we couldn't find this anywhere. So then we went back, and then we went elsewhere. Then we came back for the last time. We were like, oh shit. We came back for the last time, and we were like, you know what? Let's both get a vinyl. So then Courtney was looking at new releases, and guess who I found? Marshalla.
Only one there, by the way.
London. Okay. Damn, girl. You work hard. Oh, look at that beauty. Oh.
You should have added his head and something.
I don't like your chair, Courtney.
Sorry, it squeaks a lot, I know.
Ooh. It's white. Oh, it's foldable. Oh.
Ooh, I don't think this.
Gorgina. Now let's have a look. Oh, that's cool. It has the lyrics on it too.
Right.
London.
Hey.
Dang! Oh, girl, you pretty. Thank you guys for Thank you guys for watching my unboxing. Bye.